Hey guys, I'm Scott. Once again, we're back here with another box for you guys to see. This is the Icon 1.3, Icon 85 1.3 meters. This is actually another good stable plane, especially once we get into this whole summer season, spring season, and everything. It's going to be great. This has a great power plant here. You're going to be running your 3-cell 2200 batteries. It's not going to be a fast plane, but it's going to be able to have enough power to scoot on the water. It does have its own landing gear. So just say you want to go ahead and take off on asphalt, grass, whatever. It's got the landing gear for it. You can remove that landing gear, throw it up on the lake somewhere, a river, wherever you got it, a little pond or something. It's going to be able to take off from there. It flies very scale pilots. It's really great for you guys. It's got the bind and fly. The safe select is already on there. So many different things that come with this power plant. So we're going to do another unboxing for you guys. Once again, my name is Scott. I'm here with Stone Blue Airlines, and we'll hopefully get to show you guys what it's all about once we get it undone. All right, we'll see you then. It's in the box. All right, guys, we got the box open and everything like that. So let's get right to it then. Canopy set up and everything. We got the guy, he's got like his Oakleys on in there somewhere and everything. You got the gauge cluster. You know, looking at the actual scale model version of it, I mean, it's like Bentley got a hold of the interior of this thing, but it's really nice, really scale. We're looking around here too, as you can see, because it is a seaplane, but there is a one solid to seal it off to close up the canopy inside and everything to keep all your electronics dry. Pretty nice. Everything, you know, pretty good setup in there. So we're gonna go ahead and set things aside and keep moving on. All right. Got some foam pieces here. Ooh. Some foam pieces here with some actual badging in here. But this is actually, like, if you're gonna like actually store it somewhere, it's gonna set up right on this. So it's like a little stand for it. It's pretty nice, actually. I didn't know they actually came with that. That's pretty cool. So keep moving on here. Carbon spar. Plain and simple, I'm not gonna actually go into that. All right, let's go back here. All right, so here's the prop, 3 props. Everything pretty sturdy, feels really nice. Got a little nose cone in there. Pretty well. All right, let's see what else we got. Up, here's the landing gear. So like we said when we were doing the box, actually, it does come with its own landing gear. So if you know you're not gonna be anywhere near water or anything like that, you live somewhere out in Arizona. No offense to anybody who lives in Arizona. But yeah, this is, you know, if you just want to take off on a runway, there you go. You got it. There's your bind plug in there. A lot of other little screws and stuff. Okay. All right, so here's one wing. It's got everything already connected inside. And actually, if you look, there are little carbon spars put it into there. Keep the rigidity of the wing. It's just kind of laid into that. So pretty good. Just love the wing design on this. You know, it's like I said, it's just almost like a scale piece. Actually, let's go ahead and take one out real quick, just to kind of see what it looks like. Once again, Horizon Hobby just packing everything real tight, real nicely, and everything. Okay, here we go. There we go. I mean, if you just look at that, there's your plug right there. So, you know, once again, for transportation, you're actually going to do that. There's a screw right there. You're going to screw that in. Man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Go ahead and set that aside here. Everything's kind of taped together in a little way, some shape, form. There we go. Let's just the other side of the wing. All right. And there is your elevator piece. Once again, it's just a few screws. You're gonna have to do that to install it. You know, of course, you know, get to the whole technical part. You're gonna have to set your rates the way you like it, the way you fly. All right, so we got the meat and potatoes here. Foam on foam, with foam to protect the foam. And there we go, there is your fuselage. All right, I mean, EC3 connector coming right out of the box. Everything's all set up on the inside there. You got your receiver with your AS3X and safe select once you bind it up and everything. Looks pretty nice there. On your back end, there's where your prop's gonna go. Once again, it looks really easy to set up. Really scale model here And then on the bottom part, as you can see, this is going to seal up where you can put your landing gear on. Got mounts right there, but it's like a Sea-Doo, like a jet ski. You know, essentially when you get this thing up on the water and everything, it's going to sit like really nicely, just like a jet ski would, and cruise out nicely. You got these little, like almost like little pontoons on the other side to keep it stable. And it seems like it's going to be a really nice, stable aircraft on the water and on the air. I mean, I fly pusher planes. That was actually my first plane, but this one's going to fly a little bit more scale. It's not going to have your power plant to where you're going to be, fully, gaining altitude and everything like that. You're going to actually, ease up into it. If you want to start doing any of your rolls and stuff, you're going to have to actually fully pull on throttle, get it over that loop, and come down. So, but other than that, I mean, folks, it's going to be a great plane. We hope to see you guys soon when we actually start throwing some FPV gear on this, actually get it out on the lake. Of course, it's still snowing right now, so maybe we'll get out in the snow. Hey, who knows, right? Because you can do it on snow. But once again, my name is Scott. I'm here with Stone Blue Airlines, stoneblueairlines.com. Go ahead and order this. It's going to be a fun plane once that summer hits, all right? So we'll guys talk to you later, all right? Have a good one.